909er, coming out of right.
American 649 on a runway, right, on a plane.
Runway any red, American 649.
Got a 1261, good at Clark, good.
1261, good day.
American 259.
Good, please don't give way to FedEx, that hotel. 1971 Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right. Turn left on November behind company bus.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
Another 2684 company, and November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 266400.
Then 3514 and pop across the 1 on the left.